Alright guys, we back here for another video. We got Eric right here. This is an exciting day right here. My boy Eric right here. Never had coilovers on any of his cars before, but today is the day. Picked up some tines off Redline 360. Shout out to them. They're always hooking it up for us.
Alex always hooking it up. Redline has basically everything for like any tuner car.
Exactly, and sometimes it's cheaper than buying from the company's site, so always check them out before you buy stuff, for sure. But that's what we're installing today, and we got a little coilover install to do, and Brandon's not here yet, so me and Eric are gonna knock it out as best we can.
Yeah.
So
by the time Brandon gets here, I'm pretty sure I'm already gonna be scraping out of his driveway.
that's the goal. That's the goal right there. But we'll see. Yeah, something always tends to go wrong, but hopefully not today. Hopefully we can just with ease. So
we have the best luck anyways.
Yeah, exactly. Me and Eric always catch the weirdest shit when we're together. It's kind of weird, but hopefully it goes smooth for us, and we'll keep you guys updated throughout the whole process. Eric wants to max them out because the tines apparently don't go like super fucking slammed, but they go pretty low, and Eric's gonna max them out, and it'll be perfect for when he gets new wheels eventually down the road, so we'll see.
Next month, like middle to late February, wheels are going down.
Shit, dude, this thing's moving. This thing's moving quick. Making moves out here. Just jacking up the front of the car right here. I'm assuming we're doing the fronts first then. First, always gotta have those stands.
Yeah, because that's our motto at GSR Cars.
Yep, safety first.
Safety first. We're the only channel that have a fucking scissor jack blowout on us.
Pretty much. Guys, you know, this car's sort of lopsided because this is why you don't use scissor jacks, dude.
That's why you don't only use scissor jacks.
Oh, dude.
Like wheel change.
Scissor jacks are made for roadside wheel changes, and as you can see, this one sort of failed. People are gonna comment on your yoga pants, by the way. Dude, that was wild. How long ago was that?
That was Brandon, right?
That was 2016, wasn't it? Or,
yeah, he was doing something on the. He was putting on the Long Beaches.
Yeah, the Long Beaches when I first got him.
His car just.
Dude, that was hilarious. Thank God he's safe though, and didn't die or anything. What'd you say it does? Like 3 inches in the rear?
3 inches in the front, 2 something in the back.
Nice. So this is gonna be sick. I can't wait to see how it is. It's gonna look good even on the stockies. First things first, gotta take this off. All right, well the bar's off, and then we started working on the wheels, and we hit a little panic spot. But that's all right. You know,
it's all good.
We started freaking out because we were like, okay, we're not this bad. The lugs just would not come loose at all.
They were not coming loose.
We broke out. Yeah. With an air impact, dude, I don't know how that didn't come off. Like
I just pulled a John Cena and got on the top ropes and like tried to jump off, you know, just
off of a tire iron, still nothing.
Yeah. But the bar gave us enough torque. And
yeah. So we just took the bar off the jack. I can't believe we didn't do that sooner, but as long as we got it, we got it. So.
Yep.
Goal is to get the coilovers in by the time Brandon got here as a joke, and well, we just got the wheel lugs broken, and I'll also unbox the tines in a little bit too, so we can actually see them. Hello there. And all right, so Brandon right here, what the fuck is up with your exhaust?
It fell again.
Oh, okay. Brandon just got back from the junkyard today though. How was it?
Pretty good. All asphalt. You know, everywhere else it's like dirt.
Yeah.
You know, you're laying dirt.
Yeah.
Just asphalt.
That's weird. Our goal was to finish the fronts, at least by the time you got here.
Not even close.
Well, we got the wheel lugs untightened, so the Corrado broke, but you never heard about it. So is that gonna fix it?
Hopefully. You know how much is on mine?
How much?
Mine, $76.
Well, resell it.
What happened on mine is like, so this part, there's like a cable, a metal cable right in here, and it's like clamped onto this metal piece, and that's how you push, but that's where you get the flexible part, because there's a metal cable. It can't go anywhere, right? It's in there. This metal bar tore off from the cable that's inside there, so this piece isn't even attached.
That's fucked up.
So I got stuck in gear because it just went, because I went bang.
What kind of food did you pick up?
The food truck there was like really disorganized, and I didn't want to like look stupid and be like, how do I order? So I was like, I'll just get food on my way.
Alright, so I was gonna get a shot of the tires, but Brandon pretty much stole the show right there. Alright, we out here disassembling parts. Already got a few.
Hello.
And we got Khadizzi pulling up. Almost done with this side right here, getting it out at least.
You might need to put it back through the hole on top.
You're so close.
There you go.
There we go. Now from the bottom, right? Go. Fuck. Up. Right? Yeah. And then that fork, since you're going up, that's going to give you room to slide it. See, the nice thing about coilovers
Whoa.
The nice thing about coilovers is they're always shorter. They're so easy to put in compared to stock stuff.
Yeah.
Because stock stuff you have to put in under tension.
It's stuck on
Here for
something.
the ride.
Come over here and we actually got it unboxed now. You can actually see them. Typical tane, whatever you want to call it, green.
Fuck.
Yeah, they do have lower collar. No, they don't.
So fuck your freaking just be slammed.
Just put them up until they're tight.
Put it on its nuts.
Well, because if you do that and then you like hit a bump and it comes apart, it'll go. Yeah, it'll sound like that.
Oh.
See? No, it doesn't.
Oh, okay.
You just want to put it till it's tight.
Yo, thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Let's get the thumbnail right here.
Oh, like this.
Let them cross over.
Oh,
Cameo King.
we got the Cameo King pulling up.
What up? Man,
Yeah.
I'm sick and tired of these goddamn 8-year-olds hitting me up on Twitter, man. Fuck that bitch. Oh damn, we got hydraulic tools today.
This is gonna be so sick. I can't wait to see it, dude.
I'm ready.
So hyped. Eric's first set of coilovers. We got Brandon down here putting in work. Good job.
Brandon's looking like a snack right now.
Hey, he's still got that nice fade. Bad boys are in.
My gears, how it's on one side, dude.
What, the
Like,
intake?
why can't it be
They did.
symmetrical? And these look like speakers.
Yeah, I know, huh? Oh, we forgot to put the fucking bar on.
Well, we do that later.
I'll do it later, yeah.
About to lower the front for the first
let me
time.
have it for the
Get a good
crowd.
look at it.
Oh my!
Oh yeah.
Ooh, good height.
That's nice.
Good height.
That's sporty. Sporty.
This is what the young kids like,
Just wait till it settles. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Cut this.
right?
That's gonna settle
I'm
perfectly.
feeling the height.
I fucks heavy, Eric.
Oh man.
Yo,
Just wait. It's gonna settle.
Alright guys, flash forward a little bit. I was pretty shit at filming the rear end, but you get the point. This shit is low as hell.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna put the collars in the back.
Yeah.
Because the back is just ridiculous. It just looks crazy right now, but
Looks pretty sick, but as you can tell, it's
you know, I
definitely definitely low, so looks sick though. The front is definitely higher.
See it.
Eric's gonna pull it out now and we're gonna see it in the daylight. Honestly, didn't take too long at all, maybe 2.5 hours. Oh man, wow, that camera.
okay. I've never felt so like close to that height.
Oh man.
Your car is low.
Damn, he's tucking in the back.
Alright, well when you put it next to this, it doesn't really look that low, but it is definitely low, especially in the rear. Holy shit.
I would say first.
Dude, you gotta see this.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Alright. I think it's fine like that, to be honest. I'm gonna lower the front though.
Oh, you are? The fronts can go lower?
Yeah, they can.
Sweet, yeah, good idea, but you can get the gist of it from right here. It's tucking a little bit of tire, just a little bit. Needless to say, I'm pretty sure Eric's happy with the way it looks, so hopefully he's happy with the way that they ride. They're tying, so they're pretty good. Dude, it looks so good.
This is bad. I didn't even know it was gonna be that low.
Damn.
Front's up or back's up?
Pretty low now, dog.
Alright, we're gonna go for a little bit of a test rip. Definitely feels lower.
Okay, yeah, this is definitely a
difference.
yeah, it's a lot lower.
So nice, dude.
Yeah, they're not noisy either. They're not like
Yeah.
I don't want to say bouncy, but like I could tell like they're on coilovers, but it's not bad. Like it's just like I acknowledge that I'm on coils now, but.
In all fairness, this road is a little bit bumpier.
Yeah. So when I was hitting bumps, I was like,
The real test will be getting over this little dip.
oh yeah.
You'll be good in the front.
Right here?
Yeah. Probably can't see it on camera, but there's a noticeable dip, so I think you'll be good. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is perfect. It looks good. It's gonna look even better with wheels too.
I can't wait.
Once you get wheels and your fitment adjusted, it's gonna be good.
A lot better.
Yeah. But for now, being slammed on the stockies ain't bad either. So. Oh, that's a cop.
It's a cop.
Right there, you're good. You're good. You didn't see shit. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I don't know why this is becoming a common thing where I always end out the video here. I just keep forgetting to do outros, honestly. But we'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys enjoyed, we got some sick stuff coming. So see you guys in the next one.